Hi everybody, meet Vyoocam, the smallest and easiest to use wearable camera. Unlike any other wearable device or action camera or even smart glasses, Vyoocam can run mobile apps. So basically, for the first time ever with Vyoocam, you can have a fully operational Android system in a wearable form factor. Because it doesn't have a built-in screen. To control it, we have developed our own proprietary technology which allow us to remotely control Vyoocam over the screen of any other mobile device. Here you can see operating system running on a Vyoocam, but it's controlled over this screen. So we can go in the settings, we can set up like the Wi-Fi network, go out. We can even see like the apps that we have installed. So it is important to see and to understand that this operating system on this screen is actually running on the device. It's not running on this device. So we can, to show it, we can close the connection and here is actual Android on this device.